Good day, I am Chris Albaxin and I am applying for the position of Junior Mining Engineer. I graduated from Caraga State University with a degree in Mining Engineering, where I developed my knowledge and understanding of mining operations, mine safety, mineral processing, and engineering practices. I am eager to apply my skills and knowledge in a professional mining environment while continuing to learn and grow in the industry. One of my qualifications is that I am a civil service eligible passer, which reflects my dedication, discipline, and ability to meet professional standards. In addition, I hold a Safety Officer 2 certification, which equipped me with knowledge in workplace safety, hazard identification, risk assessment, and the importance of maintaining safety operations in industrial and mining environments. I understand that safety is one of the top priorities in mining, and I am committed to following and promoting proper safety practices at all times. I am also proficient in Microsoft Excel, which I can use to organize data, preparing reports, analyzing product information, and creating tables and charts that support engineering and operational work. I believe that these technical and administrative skills can help improve efficiency and accuracy in daily tasks. As a fresh graduate and aspiring mining engineer, I may still have a lot to learn, but I am hardworking, adaptable, and willing to be trained. I work well with others, communicate respectfully with my team, and stay focused under pressure. I am interested in gaining hands-on experience with mining operations, safety management, planning, and fieldwork so I can grow professionally in the mining industry. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. I hope I can become part of your company and contribute positively as a junior mining engineer.